All right, YouTube, what's going on? I haven't made it to 1,500 subscribers yet, but I wanted to do a giveaway. So, in order to win this Lipo battery right here, 6's pack, and this code 118 smart wallet, show you in a minute. Instead of doing just a raffle ticket and you just buy a raffle ticket and get entered, here's your raffle tickets, and I'll explain. I'm selling these anyway. In my community tab, you can see a link to PayPal. In the description, you just tell me I bought one single $3.50 sticker. I bought 3 of them. I bought 5 of them. Dollar for dollar entries. $2 stickers. Dollar for dollar entries. 4 lucky people can have a chance to buy one of these $5 entries. You're going to double your entries. That's 10 entries instantly. As soon as I see your name with the $5 one, I'm going to enter you. I'm going to get the paper and write down that you got 10 entries just for that. Single entry for dollar, $3.50, or you're going to get 3 entries. Yeah. These ones, $10 a piece. There's only 3 left. You're going to get double entries. You're going to get 20 entries right off the rip. $5 a piece, you're getting 10 entries. $10 a piece, you're getting 20 entries. These are $3.50, you're getting 3 entries per one. These are $2 a piece, you're getting 2 entries per one. As soon as they're sold, guys, I'm going to pull all the names off the PayPal list of everybody at bottom. It's getting thrown in there. We're going to do a live drawing, and somebody's getting a free pack, 6's pack, and code 118 smart wallet. These things are awesome, guys. I use one every single day. All natural carbon fiber, guaranteed for life, aluminum alloy. You click the thing and all your cards pop right out to you. Sweet. So there it is, y'all. That's what we're doing. Hopefully y'all get in. I want to thank the gentleman that did just purchase my very first sticker ever. Thank you, sir. You know who you are. Amazing. You couldn't. That was a real quick add to that. The gentleman that did buy my very first sticker, he's entered for the drawing too. Just saying. Yeah, he bought my first one. He's entered for the giveaway. Even though I just started the giveaway, he's entered. So have at it, y'all. Truly awesome. So that's how we're doing it, guys. Hopefully everybody gets in. As soon as they're gone, we're going to do it. And the people that do get in on it, guys, it might take a while for them to get sold. If they all don't get sold, I mean, you still got your sticker. So look at it that way. You're buying a sticker. Once they're sold, we're doing the giveaway. I mean, and even if most of them get sold, we're still going to do the giveaway. So don't be discouraged. But first lucky 3 to grab them up, and the first lucky 4 to grab them up. And you can buy multiples. You can buy whatever you want. You're getting entries for all of it. If you buy all 4 of them and all 3 of them, chances are you're going to win the damn thing. Have at it, y'all. I'll put the link in the description of my community tab. It'll say giveaway on the community tab. Let's go.